Hi, my name's Dan Binford, and I work with Fitness First. We manufacture the Land Ranger treadmills for courts. This model is the LRT140. This is our largest treadmill, and really an excellent treadmill for any runner or walker. It has some excellent features to it, and I want to show you some of those features. On the back here, when the treadmill is in the elevated position, you can see that it has a cushioned deck. These rubber grommets on the sides, there's 6, 3 on each side, 1, 2, and 3 inside here. 1, 2, and 3 here. These elastomers are made to allow the deck to be flexible while you walk on the treadmill. When you're running on the treadmill, it takes the absorption of the pounding from your feet and gives you cushion throughout your knees and your ankles. Notice in the back here that it's also fixed in the very back of the treadmill. That allows you to push. When you have a push off while you're running, you push with your rear foot, and it gives you a solid surface to push from. And I'll demonstrate that in a few minutes when I lower the treadmill. This area down here is a dust guard, and it keeps the treadmill clean while you're using it. A lot of times you might be on a hard surface like tile floors, or you might be on a carpet, and the treadmill belt will suck up dirt material. You need to make sure you keep your motor area clean. This area here, this is the shock absorber that allows the treadmill to lower itself on its own. And the way to use this is you just use your foot and push against that piston. And as you push that, then the treadmill will go ahead and go down by itself. Now it's very slow. We want it that way because we want to make sure that there's nothing underneath it that could be a problem. It's a 2-stage shock, so it goes down about halfway, and then it goes even slower. Now you can put your foot on it and give it a little help like that. Now you'll notice the belt here is a very wide belt. This is 20 inches wide, and it's 60 inches long. It's a good 5 inches longer than our LRT100. The fact that it's suspended and tight like this, it allows a little bit of cushion while you're walking on the belt. Now we already talked about the rubber grommets underneath the deck that makes it cushiony. I want to show you when you're running on a treadmill, your foot is planting in the front and you're pushing from the back. The reason that's important to know is that you want a solid surface to push from, and you want a nice cushiony surface to land on. That allows your knees and your ankles and your hips to receive the best benefit from walking on a treadmill. Walking on a treadmill is much better than walking on the road or running outdoors because, one, it's safe. Two, the cushion benefits of the treadmill allow your joints to receive less pounding. The third reason why you want to use a treadmill would be to be able to walk indoors where it's a cooler climate. Maybe it's real hot outside or it's raining outside. If you have a controlled environment inside your home, then you can use the treadmill anytime you want. Now, once you come a little closer, and I want to show you some of the benefits of the electronics. So when you turn this treadmill on, it's going to show you this 5-inch display. And this is a beautiful blue backlit display. We have on the left, we have time, we have our programs, calories, pulse, distance, and incline. In the middle here, we have an odometer for speed. Now, this treadmill has 29 programs, and there's a program button right here on the left of this area of the treadmill. If I push that once, it changes to program 1, 2, 3, and so on. Each program has a different profile, which will change the elevation and also the speed of the treadmill. Some of the programs will change only the speed or only the elevation. So it uses a combination of those two things to give you a hill climb, a peak and valley, more aggressive HIIT training exercises, and it allows the consumer to have a wide variety of different programs to use while they use the treadmill. The important thing about electronics is it keeps the customer engaged. We want them to come back every day and use the program, use the treadmill, and that helps them to stay motivated. Now, in addition to the programming features on this, we have some quick keys. If you like to use just a manual program, you can just push manual, And then you adjust the features yourself of incline, decline, speed as you use the treadmill. If I want to do a fat burn program, I can just push this. It already sets my program to number 9. If I want to do a cardio program, it sets it to number 12. These are all predefined workouts that are common programs to use. A HIIT program, high intensity training program, is for interval workouts that are more aggressive. So that would be like program number 22. We also have a fan. When you press start, you can turn the fan on. It's actually starting right now, and it provides a nice cool breeze to blow on the user. And that's controlled right here with this button. On the right here we have our MP3 player connection port. This is used with a cable that's provided by the manufacturer, and you can plug this in here and then plug the other end into your MP3 player or to your cell phone and play your favorite music. We also have headphones. So let's say your treadmill's in a bedroom where you may have next door, you might have a child sleeping. You don't want them to hear the treadmill running, and you don't want them to hear the music playing, but you still want to get your workout. So you can put your headphones on and you can work out to music with headphones while you use the treadmill, and it's a lot quieter. One of the other nice features is we have a tablet holder right here where you can subscribe to any of the popular apps that are out there now that you can use while you use your treadmill. Features of on the left and the right side, we have quick keys, which are for incline. If you want to start a quick incline, you can just push 6 and the treadmill will elevate to 6. On the left, we have speed keys. So if you want to get started quickly, you can just push 6 or 8 or 10, and it'll automatically go to those levels. Also on the side of the handlebar here, we have the up and down key for speed, for the elevation, and then here we have fast and slow for the speed. Here on this bar is your heart rate grips. These are real important if you want to train with heart rate control. This treadmill has a receiver built into the console so that if you have a chest strap heart rate monitoring device, it will send a signal to the treadmill, and the treadmill will operate based on your own heart rate. This is one of the most effective ways to work out with a treadmill because it will elevate the treadmill and increase the speed to bring your heart rate to a prescribed level, and then it'll maintain that heart rate for that period of time, whatever you have set for 30 minutes or so. It will maintain your heart rate at that level, and then it will cool you down at the very end of the workout to bring your heart rate level back down. That's a very efficient and effective way to work out with heart rate control. Now there's 3 heart rate control programs here. There's one for 60%, 70%, and 80% of your maximum heart rate based on your age and your fitness level. Something very good to use and a very nice feature of this treadmill. So those are the features and benefits of the LRT140, our top of the line professional treadmill. Thank you for listening.